guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Beena and welcome to my channel Beena's Beauty. And today I am going to tell you some skincare regime. Okay, that is what I do during my night time. Okay, I'm going to tell you today like what products I would be using before going to sleep. What are the products which is liked by me and which has suited me. Okay, basically mine is normally oily to combination skin. Okay, sometimes it becomes too oily, sometimes it doesn't. Okay, so that's how it is. Okay, and after some time, after washing the face and everything, it becomes like say oily. Okay, that's how it is. It's not like immediately it becomes oily. All right. Yes, so what I do is I just wash my face. Okay, and face wash, I just use something like a mild scrub. Okay, and or whatever choice which you're using right now, you can just use it. And so at the night, like, your skin has to feel like, say, fresh. Okay, or like it has to have some fresh products. Okay, your skin has to feel that kind of the moisturization, and it has to feel fresh. Okay, to absorb the ingredients whichever we are going to apply in the night, so that it works onto our skin. Okay, so there are like many products which you can choose, but right now, okay, currently, okay, what I do is I just wash my face. I just use my wild turmeric. Okay, just apply it onto my face. I just scrub it a little bit, and then I just use the L'Oreal Revitalift. I just use that day as well as in the night. Okay, I don't skip it because it is something that makes my skin texture very good, so I really don't want to miss that one. Okay, so I am just using that every day and night after washing my face. And then the lip balm. Okay, whatever you feel like, you can just use your lip balm. And then under eye gel. Yes, definitely I would be using any under eye gel, okay, to relax my eyes. That is most important step which you should not be missing out, because giving that coolness, giving that rest to your eyes with the correct moisturizers, that is really needed. Okay, so never miss any good under eye gel which is comfortable, or which works for you. Okay, don't miss that. Okay, and next to that, I would be applying like, say, right now I'm just using, say, like two products. Okay, the one is this one. Okay, the HA hyaluronic acid plus vitamin C and E professional facial serum. It's from Sen Botanica. Okay, so this cost about like 1799. Okay, so you can just get it when there is offer, but actually it just comes like this. Okay, this is how the packaging and the bottle looks like. It comes in this kind of bottle, and you can just see, like, I have used, like, say, yeah, half of it, and I don't know, like, this is my fourth or fifth bottle. Okay, this is very good. I get it when there is offer. Okay, so there is also good ingredients in this. That is, it has the hyaluronic acid plus vitamin C and E. Okay, so this is very good. This is the first product from Sen Botanicas I tried, and actually I wanted to try the other variant. Okay, which is this one. Okay, the vitamin C variant. Okay, that is the vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. That is, vitamin C is 20%, professional facial serum. This is also from Sen Botanicas. See, actually I wanted to try only this serum first. Okay, it was out of stock, so I happened to try this product. Okay, which also the same, but it says that the vitamin C is 20% in this, and here the percentage is not given. However, the vitamin C and E, everything, the products are the same, but there is slight variations in the percentage level. Okay, but I would say that I did not like this one. Okay, after purchasing, when I wanted to try, I thought that it would be the same like this, but still the first one I tried this, but still it it has been my best. And you know it's very good. Okay, but the second one I tried, this one I did not like this one, because it gives you that kind of, say, chip feeling in your face, which I really don't like, okay, in my moisturizers or serums or whatever. Okay, because as I told you, like mine is oily to combination skin. Okay, so I prefer something in gel which doesn't make my feel skin so heavy. Okay, so I did not like this one personally, but still, like, I am using this one, like most of the days, weekly. Like, say I use this one twice, okay, for sure, because it has reduced my marks, as well as it is not giving me any kind of pimples, guys. Okay, it is not at all giving me any kind of pimples, and that's the first thing which I really like about this product. Okay, so if at all, if you're acne prone skin, please do try this one and tell me, like, how did you feel about it, because for me it did not give me any kind of breakouts. In fact, whenever I try to use this one, I have never got any pimples. Okay, so if at all, if it's working for you as well, just do let me know, guys. Okay, so you can just try this one for oily skin or combination skin. This is a super highly recommended product. Okay, so this one I just use in the alternative days. 2 days I use this in a week, and then I just use this one from Kiehl's. Okay, and this costs about, say, 2100 rupees, and again you can get this when there is some offer going on. It says it's midnight recovery concentrate, a replenishing elixir, essential oils and distilled botanicals to visibly restore the appearance of skin by morning. Yeah, so this is what it says. Okay, and it is 15 ml, guys. Okay, and the other one which I showed you, that was 20 ml. Yeah, so this is how it is, the Kiehl's one. Okay, so you have a dropper here, so you can just pick the oil. Okay, and you can just use it. You see, basically what I will tell you is just an oil. Okay, so you can just tell me, or you can just think like it's oil, it's not going to suit me. No, guys, it's not like that. Okay, yes, it is oily, but what you can do is you just take only one drop here, one drop here, one here, and one here. Okay, and then massage that into your skin. Okay, so that's what you're supposed to do with this. Don't try to use it more, because yes, as it has oil, it would definitely make you oily. Okay, but then, like, once you see the difference in the morning, you will really love your skin. Okay, that's the reason why I'm not skipping this in my regimes night time. Okay, because this is very good. Okay, so I would recommend you this one. All right, and how I use is, I use these two. Okay, so one day I use this one for my pimples and marks and everything, and this is for the Kiehl's is for the skin texture. It makes your skin so smooth, so velvety, something like that. Okay, so one day this and one day this, that's how I use it. And like obviously, like, one day in a week I just leave my face to breathe. Okay, so I don't use anything at all. Okay, I just leave my face to breathe out whatever oxygen it has to take. Okay, so I will not apply any kind of regimes one day in a week. Okay, or maybe twice if I feel very lazy. So this is what I do basically during my night routines. Okay, so what you can do is you can just try it out and tell me how it is for you. Now I'll just show you, like, how is the texture. Okay, so the Kiehl's one, okay, it is oily. Can you see that? It is oily. Okay, you can just see the oil in it. Yeah, it just absorbs, but still, like, it's oily, guys. Yeah, it is definitely oil. All right, and this one, you can just see, this is not watery, this is a gel form. Okay, and so it just blends onto your skin like you haven't applied anything. this has some kind of the hyaluronic acid from Sen Botanicas. It has the smell of rose, I would say. Yeah, it smells something like rose. Okay, and obviously the Kiehl's one, it has all the scents and all the smell of the essential oils. Okay, so these are the two things which I normally use. So guys, if at all, if you really thinking like what product you really want to use, like I would definitely recommend you these two for oily skin. Okay, for dry skin I think you can even use more of the product from Kiehl's. Okay, but for if you're too oily side, I would definitely recommend you this, guys. Please do try this, you will never regret using this. Okay, so these are the two things which I do. Okay, or which are the products which I use currently, okay, in my nighttime routines. And also I am planning to buy the Estee Lauder, and also from the Plum, okay, the night packs, so that I will also give you the reviews once I try to use it on regular basis, and if I see any kind of differences, I would definitely tell you like how it has worked out for me. Okay, so stay tuned to my channel so that you will get a lot of updates about the skincare regimes, and also about everything whatever you want to know about makeup as well. Okay, so makeups apart, even though if you do makeup, you really have to think about your skin, in-depth skin, right? Like taking care of the skin also matters. So never skip an eye product. Okay, and also nighttime products. Okay, because that's when like you can really give your skin the pampering, and at that time only you need to really like choose good products. Okay, rather than the foundation or anything. All right, make sure that your night regime products are chose perfectly. Okay, so I will give you a lot of update videos like this. If you really like my channel, do subscribe to my channel, and thanks for your support, guys. It really means a lot to me. Okay, so see you in the next video. All right, thank you guys, bye bye.